Hi, hello and welcome to Airdrop Claim channel. In this video, I will show you how to claim Cross USD coins by using an airdrop. So let's see about Cross USD project. Cross USD is the very first cross-chain algorithm stablecoin integrated on HUOBI Echo chain and Binance Smart Chain based basis algorithm stablecoin protocol. That being said, let's see the steps to claim the airdrop. To claim the Cross USD airdrop, click the link that is given in the description. That will take you to the airdropclaim.in website. There you can see the Cross USD logo and the description of the Cross USD project. And now scroll down, the airdrop verification details are given. The airdrop claim team verified the technology, idea, scope and white paper of this project. And now scroll down, you can see the steps to claim this airdrop, and also some required tools are given. It's on Telegram, Twitter and Medium, and also Echo chain address. For Echo chain address, you have to download the HUOBI wallet. It's available in Play Store and also in App Store. And we are going to claim this airdrop by using airdrop bot. So click the airdrop bot option in the first step. That will redirect you to the airdrop bot page. Here you can see an option that is start. Click the start option. The mandatory tasks to claim this airdrop and the airdrop details and guide are given below. Totally 7 mandatory tasks are given. The first task is we have to visit the Cross USD website. So click the Cross USD website option that is in the first step. That will redirect you to the website. And this is the interface of this website. You can explore the website for a few seconds. After few seconds, go back to the airdrop bot page. And the second and third step is we have to join the Cross USD official Telegram channels and also announcement channel. So click the both options to join the Telegram channels. Once you successfully join, the second and third step is completed. The fourth step is we have to join the Twitter page, and also we have to retweet a tweet. So you can see the follow option that is in the right side. Click the follow option to follow this page, and now scroll down to the pinned tweet. In the pinned tweet, you can see a retweet option. Click the retweet option to retweet this tweet. After retweeting, go back to the Telegram page. Here you can see the fifth step is a Medium page. So you have to follow the Medium page of Cross USD. So click the follow option to follow this Medium page and go back to the airdrop bot page. And now click the submit details option that is in the below. After this, you have to submit your Telegram username. So enter your Telegram username correctly and send it. And again enter your Telegram username because you have joined 2 Telegram channel, right? So that's why you have to enter the Telegram username for 2 times. So copy and paste here. So after this, send it. The third step is you have to enter your Twitter username. Copy your Twitter username from the Twitter and paste here. And the fourth step is you have to enter your Medium username. Get the Medium username from your Medium account and paste here. After successfully pasting, click the send option. After this, the last step, you have to enter your Echo wallet address. The Echo wallet address is available in HUOBI wallet. So download the HUOBI wallet in Play Store or App Store and register your account. After, get the Echo address and paste here and click the send option. And now the steps to claim this airdrop is completed, and we are at the end of the video. It's the time to see the distribution details of this airdrop. For the distribution details, you have to join the Telegram channel of airdropclaim.in website. To join this Telegram channel, open the website and scroll down to the end. You can see a Telegram symbol that is given the left side. Click the Telegram symbol. That will redirect you to the Telegram page. Here you can join the Telegram channel by using the join option. And in this Telegram channel, they are posting about airdrop details, airdrop distribution details, faster details and also soon expiring airdrops. You can use the Telegram channel to join more cryptocurrency. And hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, put a thumbs up. And we are posting tutorials to claim airdrop almost every day. Subscribe to our channel and also click the bell symbol. That will help us to notify you every time we post a video about airdrop. And see you all on next video. Bye from Hari. Thanks for watching.